Okay, we got quite a lot to go over here. Quite a lot. So yesterday, we started working on this separating the different shapes into its own thing, and at 120 beats per minute here, looking at these things, that's basically like a minute's worth of soloing right there. And yeah, having all five shapes together be like over 5 minutes of soloing nonstop. Yeah, it might be asking a heck of a lot. Still gonna get lots of work done with all the shapes. But one thing I did, because I have mentioned I did start doing this with a few people, because it seems to be going pretty well, helping with the improv practice and all. So just keep it going. Why not? Why not? So with shape one here, so I changed the file so this way the which you've already learned, that's still there. That hasn't changed. But the amount of bars you have after, that has changed. So basically, I have something written for 16 bars. And now you have 16 bars to solo on, or solo over until the very end. So you have a definitive end. So you can really kind of plan that out, feel it out there. So you already know this one. And then we got a new thing for shape 2. I haven't done 3 yet. I did finish number 4 yesterday. I can't remember if I sent that to you or not. Well, I'm sending all this anyway. I still need to redo shape number 3. But shape number 2, that's been redone. So it's got some extra stuff in here, or new stuff. So yeah, just like how I was redoing number 4 yesterday, in order for this to have what I feel is an appropriate build up to things, whatnot, to have a proper flow, it's been changed. So I'm going to start going over this and then do the usual demo and then go over shape number 4 and then the new addition to the 5/8 time signature etude, which I've just left it as what was finished yesterday because I figure you got bunch of new solo stuff to learn, and I think there's plenty for everybody, anybody, everybody, plenty for anyone. That'd be plenty for me. Some volume here. All right, so actually let's turn off the delay and everything. Nice dry sound for now. Okay. So, I'm going to go over this part first. So, it's coming in on the upbeat of 1. It does have an 8th note rest at the beginning. And this is all within shape number 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, I am trying to do this rest here, just like it sounds better, gives a bit more character versus letting it ring out the entire time. And so this next part's this bar and this bar exactly the same, and this is, I could have notated it a little different, could have notated it the same way these are, where I'm using the dotted quarter notes. But basically, there's a beat and a half, those two notes evenly spaced across the 3 beats, so a little bit of polyrhythm in there. And I'm just going to highlight these 4 bars. So I tried to set up the bars in such a way that it's easier to read the entire thing. Anyway, so this will be finishing out the intro. and then on that fourth highlighted bar, I'm going to go third, fourth, first. So third, fourth, first for that last highlighted bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I played something wrong there. I'm going to do it again. I think I messed up the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's correct. All right, next part. So we got a big old bend happening right away on the downbeat there, and it's going to ring out for 3 beats, and then we bend again for just 1 beat, and then here, big old vibrato. It's just basically a bunch of bends, and really I'm just going to play that much. I'm going to leave this part out for right now because that part is really the start of this next whole phrase. So yeah, I'm really using my thumb to help out on this, just so we get really big old bend there. So notice how my thumb is going to be reaching over the top to really help squeeze everything together. And then on the vibrato thing, notice how I'm just really doing just a series of just really fast bends over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Kind of messed up the timing there. 1, 2, and 1. So we are doing it at this tempo. 1, 2. How many times have you and every other student said that to me? About 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There we go. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, doing that, the vibrato thing, slow, that's really odd. So yeah, just do it. Kind of like shaking the string up and down real quick there. Okay, so this next part, it's kind of like the end of a gallop right here. So you have the 8th note rest, and then the 2 16th notes. So an 8th note, 2 16ths, that's a gallop. And you can see here we got the gallop happening a lot. And then it almost continues here, but I just like the sound of the extra notes thrown in there. Let's see. See, I'm just going to run through that much. So really, that's coming in on the upbeat of 4. Now this is a good one to practice with just 8th notes so you can get the hang of it. So I'm going to just count off 4, play it as 8th notes so you can hear how that would go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. No, that was right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm doing that, right here where you hammer onto the 10 on the B string and then play the 10 again on the E string, I'm going ring finger, pinky finger. And same thing right here, ring finger and pinky finger. I feel that gives more control over the notes versus trying to roll the ring finger. So let's go to 120, still playing it as eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. Gotta think about this right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as 16ths, 1 on the upbeat of 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. $90. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a terrible count. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. $120. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, and then this next part. So a bit of hand shifting that needs to go on. So starting off, I'm starting this with my index finger. And then when I go to the 8th fret, I'm going to go to my index finger again. So now I'm set up for the next bunch of notes. And then ring finger for the last 3 notes of that first highlighted bar. So we're going to watch how my index, or my hand's shifting around here. So start with the index, shift to the index, shift to the ring finger, and then shift to the index, so let's do this one as 8th notes as well, because 16th notes are really good to break down into 8th notes to work up to get them up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Terrible pinch. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And as 16th notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and this next part. So that's pretty straightforward, just straight up 16th notes. Here, got a little bit of a palm mute accent pattern, so this might be the tricky area. But let's just do this one at 16ths, since it's not too crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. may want to just work on that last highlighted bar because of how different it is. All right. Go 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now it's time to put it all together. I should probably do this at half speed first. Timing on that wrong. Damn it. Wait. What? Yeah, I did get the timing on that wrong. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop paying attention. Oh, this is going so well. Third time's a charm, I hope. Good Lord. 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think I'm going to finish this video after this and do like the next shape in another video. So let's see, can I actually pull this off at the 120? Oh, I stepped out of the shape at the end. Damn it. Oh, well. So, that was just because out of habit and instinct. Like, I knew that note was there. I wanted to go down to that note because I just kind of felt it, and then I did. Should have gone there to stay in the shape, but oh well. Okay, there we go. Shape number 2. Any questions, please let me know. And shape number 4 will be done in the next video. Now I just got to find my mouse to stop this one. Here we go.